Hey there and welcome back. I'm so glad that you have decided to join me on another hike today, and it is another beautiful day. You know, this past winter into spring in my location, it has been gloomy. It would rain pretty much every day. We barely saw the sun. It got to the point I thought we would never see the sun again. And then May came along. And when May came along, so did the sun. The gloomy weather disappeared, and as the grass turned green and the leaves opened up and the forest was thick with green leaves and ferns and wildflowers, the sun started to shine. And it shines now almost every day. So now instead of gloomy hiking videos, we're getting bright and sunny videos that are just perfect. And it is perfect out here on the hiking trail. The temperatures are perfect. The weather is perfect. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. There's a nice cool breeze. Oh, it is just fantastic. And I have really been enjoying these hikes. Each week, I like to try to find somewhere new to go. I kind of get a little bored of going to the same place. But you know what's interesting about nature? Even if I did go to the same hiking trail every single day, it always feels refreshing. Every time. It never is boring. Ever. I don't think I've ever been on a hike that's been boring. Because if you embrace nature, you embrace the beauty that's around you, then it's always going to be interesting. And that's how nature is. It's always different. There's always something new to offer. Different birds, different animals, a different feel, different temperatures. And then just how your mind is, your mindset. What are you thinking about that day? You know, sometimes, the hike is a blur because your mind goes off and you're thinking about things and then you wonder, hey, wait a minute, how did I get here? But that's what's great about it. You become one with nature. And it doesn't matter if it's the forest or the beach or a meadow. I personally love all of it. You know, there's something different to offer. A meadow is amazing. Watching dragonflies and butterflies and little creatures that live out there and great views of the sky. But also the beach. The beach is amazing. I love going to the beach. I love being near the ocean. Listening to those waves crash and feeling that mist come off the water and splash gently on you. So it doesn't matter where you go. It's amazing to just connect to the natural part of life. It's also a great way to take time out for yourself to either relax yourself. You know, maybe you're stressed out. Or you need time to think. Maybe there's too much noise where you are and too many people around, and you just don't have time to think. Well, you can come out here and do that. Just think. Talk to yourself, talk to God. Connect to nature itself. Maybe you'll find answers that you seek. Find solutions to problems that you have. That's what's great about coming out here. Today is a part 2. From my previous video. This particular location had a lot to offer, and I went on some new trails. I've been to this place many times, but ended up discovering another trail that I had never been on, and ultimately it's the last trail. So now I have hiked this whole place, but it is a amazing trail. There is so much to offer here, so much really cool scenery and things that were hidden back here that I didn't even know about. So I thought it would be great to show you the rest of that footage today. But before we do that, if you are new to the channel, my name is Mike, and what I do here is point of view hiking videos. I have a GoPro on top of my head, on a hat actually, mounted to a hat, and you get to see what I see as I hike the hiking trail. And it's done in beautiful 4K footage. So if you have a 4K display, it's going to look fantastic. But it also looks fantastic in high def as well. And I like to do these videos every week, and I do 2 different type of videos. One video, I tell you some kind of story, maybe something inspirational, something funny, sometimes even something scary or dramatic. Other times I like to do what's called a sights and sound video. And that is where I let you enjoy the sounds of what's all around me. And I don't talk. Nope, I zip it. And that is what we are going to do today. Today, for the rest of the video, I'm going to silence my mouth and let you enjoy the sounds of nature. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, if this is your first time here, or you have been here before and you just simply have not subscribed, I would like you to do so. It's easy to do. Just hit that subscribe button. And I ask you, and a lot of us YouTubers ask you to subscribe for a reason. Because it actually helps the channel. It grows the channel. And the more the channel grows, the more people will see it. And the more people who see it, then the chances of me making more videos will continue. But if nobody's subscribing and nobody's watching, then I'm just simply not going to make any more of these videos. Also, if you enjoy this video or any of the videos I've made, please give it a thumbs up. That also helps. It really does. And if you feel inclined to leave a comment, do that as well. Perhaps let the audience know what your favorite hiking trail is. What do you like to do when you go hiking? Do you connect with nature? Is it a place to think? Is it just for exercise? Let us know in the comment section. All right, one last thing to do before I zip it, and that is a shameless plug. It's where I take a moment out of the video to plug or promote something. You can also call it advertising, but it's something that I have created. And that's what I'm going to do right now. This is a shameless plug. And now it's time for another shameless plug, where I plug something of mine, shamelessly. And today, it's paranormalaliens.com. It's a website that I have created that features all sorts of spooky and creepy items, things that come from outer space, things that come from the dark corners of your basement, things that come from the caves in the forest. Check out paranormalaliens.com for all sorts of really cool and creepy items that I have personally created. Do you know someone who is a big fan of horror or the paranormal, or is it to UFOs and aliens? Well, come to paranormalaliens.com and find the perfect gift item. Check it out today, paranormalaliens.com. And that was my shameless plug. Now back to the video.